Hi, I'm Fidal. Today I'm in Krabi Island. In this video, I'm going to show you the making of most amazing Thai papaya salad
It's so delicious. Let's have a last bite.
and salt crusted fish, a delicacy from Isan province of Thailand. Chilies goes in, some peanuts, garlic, okay, some salt, mixing it up together. This is going to be very tasty. This is my first time having papaya salad in Thailand and I never had this before in anywhere in the world. Okay, some long beans, chopped up long beans. I think these are mango sauce it seems. Some vinegar water. Squeeze of lemon. Okay, the whole lemon. Those are dried shrimps and dried fish. Some tomatoes. Okay. Finally, he's going to fetch in the papayas. Already chopped. Fine and thinly chopped papaya. Look at this process, looks so amazing to watch. It's so soothing. Look at it. This is going to be so aromatic with all the things mixed together. It's ready. We're getting served. Wow, this looks really great. Some more peanuts.
Thank you. This is how it looks. There are papayas here. I think there are cashews here, tomatoes, then beans, lemon, chilies, and lots of spices.
This is how they make the salt crusted tilapia fish. As you can see, the ongoing process here. As you can see, they put some lemongrass into the fish. This is a tilapia fish, and then they roast it on the fire. They grill it, and as you can hear the crackling sounds. The process is quite simple, but it is a very delicious process.
Okay, this is how it's done. The salt gets out. So today I'm going to try salt crusted fish in Thailand, as you can see here. So they have given some sauce, some kind of chili sauce. So let's stir it up. It's well done. Oh my god, it's so good. Let's dip it in the sauce. It's so good. It's so delicious. Oh my god, the sauce is lovely. It's so flavorful. Although it is salt crusted, as you can see, the salt gets infused slowly while roasting, and it gets inside. Although we don't eat the layer, it has been removed. Then adding it to the sauce. Delicious. Delicious. I will give it a 5 star. I mean, it is a must in Thailand. It's so delicious. Let's have a last bite for the video, obviously. It's delicious.